Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn something about graphs in Python, different types of graphs available in Python. So before that you need to install the software Anaconda in your system, and Spider is the part of Anaconda. So Spider can be used to write the code of Python, or as I have given the suggestion that Tony is very lightweight and we can use it for writing the program in Python. So right now I'm using Tony for graph. So the first code is to how to draw the line chart. So first of all you need to write the code import matplotlib pyplot. So you know about import. If we need something, some function or different types of method, then we need to import. So right now we are using pyplot to draw diagram or graphs. So that's why I have written in the top import matplotlib.pyplot as pt. Yes, there is a confusion about pt. As is just like a alias clause that you can use to write in the program instead of writing pyplot. So if I write something else instead of pt, then everywhere wherever pt is present we need to remove pt with the given word or the letter. So that is the first task to write on the top import. The next is pt dot plot. Then you can see the two-dimensional array. The first is 1 2 3 and second is 2 4 5 8. As I said, that is the first row and that is the second. So the first I'll use for the x-axis and the second I'll use for the y-axis. So if I run the code and together if I explain, it will be much better. So if I run the code, I'll get output this one. So let me explain what is going on. As you can see, pt.x label. X label means this one, x-axis. So whatever I have written within quotes, that will be displayed here, values of x. Then pt.y label, that is for y-axis, and whatever I have written values for y will be displayed here. Now the title, graph x versus y, that you can see on the top, graph x versus y. So if I change something here, automatically it will be reflected here. Now pt dot grid, and within bracket you can see true. True is to just draw the grid lines. You can see lines are there, square brackets are there, so that represent the grid. And last statement is pt dot show, means show the graph. So if I remove it, or if I make it comment, and if I run the code, okay, so right now I cannot see anything. So if I remove it and again if I save then run, then I can see the code with the output. Now you can see the output. Okay, there may be a confusion that, oh, how or why 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 in the y-axis, and how the marks sorry, the number in y-axis. So don't worry for that, you bother about the first and the second. System will automatically, means the Python compiler will automatically provide the numbers according to the segments. So if I go through the first, so x value is 1 and y value is 2. So you can see that is the coordinate. X value is 1 and y value is 2. If I go for the second, 2 and 4. So x value is 2 and y value is 4. So that is the second coordinate. Now if I compare the third one, 3 and 8. So x is 3 and y is 8. So that is, and after that you need to just match. So right now we are not doing it on paper, so system will do the things automatically. So that is all about the line chart, how to draw. I think I am very much clear. So shall I proceed for the next one? So now the graph again, or the line with different style, or again the bar chart. So let me explain first about graph. So again I'd like to show you the output along with the code. So if I run the code, okay, so that is the output. Now I'll explain one by one. Okay, let it be. I think it is visible to all, that is ear. So as I did in the last code, first you need to import as PL. So instead of PL you can write anything. So whatever you will write, you need to use the same. So for convenient, we write one letter, two letter, and after that we need to use the same. Now you can see the output and the code. So the first is list of years. So you can see year is the name of variable. Then the array contains 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 values. That is list of years. It is in code, so it is just like a string. The next array that contains the list of pass percentage. So I given 98.5, like that, up to 61.50. So that represent means 2015 98% 5. Yes, so you can compare 2015, so it is about 98.50. Then 2016 70.25, about 70.25, like that, up to 2019 61.50, so 61.50. So that is all about list of pass percentage. Come to the next, J, the variable J I am using to put the colors for different bars. So first is B, that represent blue, then G green, then R red, then M, then C. So according to the code, the color will be displayed in the bar. The next is the function bar can be used to draw the bar chart. So first is year, so that is the first argument, means year will be here in the x-axis. Then P means the percentage will be displayed here according to the year, means suppose 2015, so the first, then 2016 the second, like that. Then over there I have given 0.2. So if I change, then you can see the changes. So if I close it and if I do it here, means suppose 3, then if I run the code, then you can compare. Now the width is more. Previously it was 2, right now it is 3. And color again J I have given. So if I close again and if I run the code again, then see. So that is all about the bar function. It is written in the comment, bar function to create bar chart. Now the next is come to the X label, pl.x label. So X label means in X axis. So I have written year, so year is here, and size I given 20. So that is all about the font size. Then Y label, similarly pass percentage size 20. So it is all about pass percentage in the Y axis and the size of the font. Then similarly you need to write pl.show to show the graph. So that will be the output of the given code. Now if I go to lines with different style. So that I will discuss in the next video. Then again, bar, plot, subject versus marks, you can go to see the output. The output will be like that. Okay, so I'll discuss about the same in the next video, about this one also and about this one also, means how to draw lines. So different types of lines are there. Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you.